everybody, welcome to Evergreen Kitchen. Today we will be unboxing this bubble machine. Let's get started. First, there are some instructions if you can't play this and you don't know. And there is two different colors that will come in this, pink and blue. So, here is also a sneak peek of the colors here. So let's open. There is this bubbles, and then here is the machine. It also comes with this. You can see inside it, and then you put it over this top, and then there is this. You have to put batteries in this slot. Let's put batteries. We need 4 of them, but you can only see 2 of them. So you have to put it deep inside. So
yes.
And then we have to put the lid. It is kind of hard to put the lid because it is very solid. And then you have to do this because inside there is a fan to do it. So here is the bubbles, and you have to take, there is a thick layer of plastic. We have to open it, and then there is another layer of plastic. We have to poke it with something hard in the middle. Here are some keys, and then we just poke in the middle, and then we open it. And then we take this panel and we put a little bit on this. Then we spread it. We close this. We take the bubble gun or machine, and then we just dip, take out, and we blow. So that was how to play bubble machine. Thank you.